So in this video, now we'll try to learn how to find second last or nth last element of a list. So any position from last side, if we need to find, how we will find it out. So we'll try to learn here. And I will move to Visual Studio. So now this is our list. Okay. So now what we can do, we need to do that print of list. Okay. And then we need to put that last or second last or nth last anything. So as we know that here start with 0 and here start with, from last it's start with -1, -2. So if we go ahead and try to put -2, and then if we can run it, you can see what is that, sorry. Now there is one issue, so now we can run it. So now you can see that it came as F. So second last is F, so it came as F. Now I will go ahead and try to do it -1, okay, and then run it. So you can see we got it here, G, okay. And now again, if you wanted to put that, suppose this element we need, so suppose fourth, my 1 2 3 4 5 6, so -6 if I go ahead and put it, okay, and then if I go ahead and run it, you can see we got it as a B, right? So in this way we can get it which position we wanted it to print from last side. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.